Hey everybody, it's John from 9142 Props and Armory, joined today by
Henry.
This is my little guy, and we're going to do something today. We're going to work on a project together, right? What are we going to make today? We got to say what we're going to make. What are we going to make?
You say it.
All right. Henry is a fan of a certain movie franchise, and no, it's not Star Wars, but he is a fan of that, definitely. But last summer, when it came out, we went and saw the new Ghostbusters movie, and since then he's seen the original Ghostbusters movie, both of them, and we found something really cool on Thingiverse. So today, we're going to make a Ghostbusters sign for Henry's room to keep the ghosts out and make his room look cool.
And Slimer.
And Slimer. We want to keep Slimer out of his room. All right, so what we got to do? We got to print it, right? All right, so let's do that. We'll be back after that's done in just a minute. What he said. Alright, printing is done. Done in one day, very quickly. Our own little version of building with Henry and a one-day build. Henry's got the first part there. What is that part, Henry?
It's the no sign.
It's the no sign. Yeah, it's the no sign. Alright, and the no sign, the no part of the sign, of the Ghostbusters sign, we printed with some filament that I picked up at Murph a couple of weeks ago. It is Storme 3D Royal Red. And Storme 3D is actually a company that's up just a little bit north of us here in Wisconsin. So I wanted to try out somebody local and see how their stuff was. And the results of the Storme Red, Royal Red, were very good. Printed on the CR10. We printed this out with a minimal amount of infill. Just a little bit, mostly a single perimeter, and I think I did about 5% infill on this guy, and it's nice and solid. The layers are very good. We printed a pretty high layer height so that we could knock this out pretty quick. And I think the red is pretty good. Reds are hard to get. Reds are hard to get right in filament too, and this one turned out pretty nice. So we got that part.
Yeah, pretty damn nice it turned out.
We got the no part.
What he said.
And what else do we need, Henry?
The ghost.
We need the ghost.
What he said.
So, there we go. Part one of the ghost. Hold that.
This is just like a hand. Get it? A hand.
That is the hand. That's right, dude.
What
And then what part is this?
The ghost.
This is the ghost. Alright, so the ghost, and the ghost body, and the ghost hands. The ghost body we printed on the CR10, and the ghost hand we printed on our Monoprice Maker Select. The Maker Select was 2 perimeters, very light on infill, I think about 10% on that one. The CR10 was a dual perimeter on that one too, so 2 shells,
What he said.
and about 10% infill as well. Now, the white parts for the ghost we printed in Matterhackers Build Series PLA, which I got a discount coupon for from the nice people at Matterhackers while at Murph this year. So we also picked up this sweet shirt as well.
What he said.
Good time. So we printed that up in the Matterhackers Build Series white PLA. So we have our ghost, we have our ghost hand, and we have the no sign. So what do we got to do now?
Put it together.
Put it together.
Right
All right,
away.
let's put it together.
Right away now!
Right away now!
This is doing now.
Okay. All right, so we are back. Switch the angle up here so we can take a look and see what we're doing on the work table. So what do we got to do now, Henry?
Put it together!
We've got to put it together. All right, so
So what?
So we have a couple parts, Henry. What part goes where?
The head goes on the top.
All right, so the head goes on the top. All right, so we printed everything in the Matterhackers PLA and then the Storme 3D PLA, and we've done nothing to this as far as sanding things down or whatever. I printed everything with a very minimal amount of supports. So there are a couple spots on the back side where there's some issues, and there was one issue in the one eye because I have so little infill in this guy that didn't fill in real well. So we just fixed it up with some gap filling CA and some accelerator quick so that is sealed up. We're going to paint over it again in a second anyway, so it doesn't really matter. All right, so Henry, need the no sign. No sign, put it on the work table. Now this is the part where we go ahead and put everything together and we hope that it fits together good, right?
So the hand goes on the bottom.
So the hand goes on the bottom, so the head goes on the top. All right, so let's put the head in there. Look at that, it fits right in there. All right, you want to put the hand in the bottom?
Yep, I'll do it. Sure.
All right, so we got to get it in there lined up. Push.
Push! Push hard!
Careful, not too hard because you don't want to break it.
Nope.
All right, nothing broke. All right, show them, Henry. Does that look cool?
Yep.
What do you think, dude? Let's show them so they can take a look and see. All right, so pretty awesome.
Yeah, you should maybe hold it by the back.
All right, so real quick, what we're going to do, just to kind of cover up our error on the eye there, and plus I think originally the sign and the illustration of it usually shows the eyes with some black in them and the mouth with a little bit of black. Let's get a paintbrush quick, Henry, and a little bit of paint. We're going to paint in that eye real quick. We're going to put a hole in the back, and then we're going to go up to your room. We're going to go hang it up on the door.
Okay.
Sound good? All right, cool.
Yep.
All right, you want to show?
Uh-huh.
All right, show the camera.
Hold on.
All right, so there we go. One supersized Ghostbusters sign
Ooh, okay, now let's go hang
ready
it
to
on
go
the
up on the room.
Yep.
All right, first we need to drill a hole in here because
Why?
we got to put a hole in the back.
Oh.
We got to put a hole in the back so we can use a nail to hang it up on the door along with some double-sided tape, and it'll be up there good to go. All right, so cheap build, very inexpensive. We used a small part of the Storme Tech red PLA, the royal red. That was $20 for the roll of that. The Matterhackers was about $18 after the $5 off discount code that I got from Murph. So, and we only used a little bit of that too, so very inexpensive. So, total cost on this one probably about $5 to $6 for a giant Ghostbusters sign for the door. All we got to do is put the hole in the back here,
Right now I'm going to hang it on my door.
and then we're going to mount it up on the door. That's right, dude.
Okay, that's what we're going to pull. I didn't want to break it.
Yeah, that's right. We don't want to drill out through the other side of it because that would be bad. All right, let's go hang this guy up. We'll see what it looks like up there. All right, so we did a one-day build, building with Henry.
I'm showing my straw.
We've had an eventful day. We went shopping. We went to Toys R Us for one of the last times, unfortunately.
Yep.
We went and got some lunch.
Ah!
We got some sweet cups today because there's a certain movie coming out very soon. Who'd you get?
I got Chewy.
You got Chewy. I got Han. So, yeah, lots of stuff going on. Hope you enjoyed the build with my little guy, building something cool that he wanted to, because there is an endless supply of cool things that you can make with your kids, with your nieces, with your nephews, with your younger siblings, whoever it might be, there is cool stuff to make with them, and tons of it on there available for free on Thingiverse. We'll put the link down below for the Ghostbusters sign that we made today. We'll put some links down below as well where you can get a hold of the Matterhackers PLA, the Storme 3D PLA as well, and maybe a couple of other things that we use in the process of making the sign for Henry. We still have another thing or two going on. I'm just a few subscribers away right now from 500, and at the 500 subscriber level, we're going to give away this 3D printed C3PO head to a subscriber who comments on the C3PO giveaway build video, which there'll be a link down in the description for that as well. So, lots of stuff going on here. I'm working on tons of projects. We've been all over the place. Was to Murph a couple weeks ago. I went to C2E2 a week or two ago. There's a video on that too. I'll put that down below. An interview on 3D printing.
We went to CVA for like 4 days.
Totally. So there's a video down below about going to C2E2 and an interview about 3D printing and cosplay, and that'll be down below as well. Also, when I went to Murph, I met that guy that's in the video behind me. I got to meet Joel and see a lot of cool stuff there too, so I got a video coming about that. I lost a lot of my footage for it, so the video is going to be very short, but I'm going to talk about some of the stuff I saw. So that's it for this build with the little man today. We'll do another one again, because he has fun making stuff. He never has an end to the amount of things that he wants me to make, so we'll do it again. So this is John from 9142 Props and Armory, and this is
Henry.
my assistant for the day, doing a build. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe below.
Bye!
Comment down below with any questions, or just to say hi. And we'll see you next time. Thanks so much for watching.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Wow, that was loud. See you later.
See you later, Rose.
There it is. What do you think, dude?
Let me see that.